Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Although apples are extremely healthy as they are rich in different types of nutrients and vitamins, however, you need to be extra careful when buying apples in the grocery stores to ensure the apples you bought are safe to eat. Apples produce their own wax, which coats the fruit, reduces moisture loss, and keeps them fresh for a longer period. After the apples are picked from the farms, growers wash them to remove dirt. Some of the natural wax is then washed away, also removing the shine it had. To extend the life of the fruits and to keep them looking shiny and attractive on supermarket shelves, many food producers record the fruits with a food-grade wax. These food-grade wax are considered safe and not harmful to our health, as they are not broken down by the body for absorption and are eliminated by the body. However, most fruit waxes are mixed with morpholine to ensure that they are applied thinly and evenly. Morpholine, which a recent World Health Organization reports suggests can possibly transform itself into the carcinogen and nitrosomorpholine. Although the World Health Organization report found no strong evidence that the cancerous substance transformation actually occurs, however, it is still best to be careful while choosing your apples, as there may still be hidden health risks of eating wax apples. Some articles mention that morpholine is believed to cause impaired liver or kidney function. Chronic consumption of wax-coated fruits and vegetables containing morpholine could present a slight risk for cancer in certain individuals. Here are some tips to prevent health hazards of wax-coated apples. If the apple looks really extra shiny, then it has probably had wax applied. Although most apples in the store are waxed, but unwaxed apples can also be found. In December 2016, Woolworths and Coles both stated that in 2017, they would be selling more apples with no added wax. This will make buying unwaxed apples a lot easier if you purchase your apples at these major retailers. Some smaller fruits and vegetable retailers and storeholders at farmers' markets also sell unwaxed apples. The best way to determine if an apple is waxed or unwaxed is to look at any product signage that may be promoting the apples are unwaxed or organic. If you are not sure whether your apples are waxed, it is best to remove the wax carefully before eating them. Some extremely health-conscious people think it is impossible to remove 100% of the wax, so they prefer to peel off the apples. However, this can cause nutrient loss, as apple peels are rich in nutrients. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.